you ever met someone you could not get mad at? Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies. How your smile makes my heart skip a beat. How every time I'm with you I feel so complete.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time seeing my beautiful half face, welcome. Please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you're a returning subscriber, happy Sunday, welcome back, God bless you. So today I'm going to see a movie, Coming to America 2. You all know my favorite is in that movie, so by fire by force I must see that movie in cinemas because Davido is in that movie. Okay, even if he's whatever as he did, I must just see him. Anyways, I'm just going to go see the movie today. I'm going with a Twitter person that I've never met before. Okay, what had happened was I put on my Twitter that I'll be going to see the movie. If anybody's interested, they should just let me know. Who is calling me? I don't know who this person is. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hello, Trish.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. I'm on my way to the...
Don't be on your way. I'm leaving the house now and I need like 1 hour 30 minutes to get there.
No problem, I will stay there.
Okay, no problem. But I'm done, Sha. I'm leaving the house. I'm not lying. Like, I'm leaving the house. Alright, see you soon. Stop. Don't drag me yet. Wait first. See you soon. No wahala, they come. I'm going with somebody. I posted on my Twitter that I'll be going to see the movie today. If anyone is interested, they should come. I'm really sweating, guys. I just turned off my fan. They should indicate. And I had to pick a lady because I don't want wahala. And I'm also going with Uche. Uche is my cousin. I've not seen him since 2019. He's currently in Abuja and he's been disturbing me. It's not as if I want to see him, but he's been disturbing me that he wants to see me. Okay, I'm joking. I actually want to see him. So I'll be taking you guys along with me. But Jabi Lake Mall, they have issues when it comes to filming. I hope they don't misbehave today because I don't just have their energy. Anyway, I'll just be on my way right now.
So complete. You are the light when there is no sun.
Freshest doctor, the freshest. Why are you laughing? So guys, the movie was at 1:40 and we came a bit early. I decided to get some Cold Stone and just have a walk at the lake.
Whistles my name. You are the love when the world's the same. You are the star that twinkles in the night. You are the moon.
Did you enjoy the movie?
I enjoyed it now.
Hey guys, so welcome to this vlog. This is a different day. I had lunch date with Nancy today with Nancy, and we first went to get her hair locked. I don't know who sent her message why she have decided to lock her hair. I asked her to donate her wigs and I don't know what she's saying. Anyways, after locking her hair, wait, before then, this light was so beautiful. I had to take a picture. I'll insert a picture. Like the Simon Elliott's project. We decided to go to Junkyard. Getting there, the security was being so rude. He asked me to drop my open drink with him, so we had to change location. Backyard 20 is definitely one of my favorite places after Caesars. When I came for my internship, this was like my plug for games night and so on. They've actually renovated the place and it's looking more beautiful, and their service here is just amazing. I did choose this place because I wanted to see my friend who was the manager getting here. They said she left. Anyways, we had a good time and the food was also good. See as I'm fine.
The way you hype yourself.
See as I'm fresh. What are you talking about? Cheers, Jerry. Soft life looks good on me. While waiting for our orders, I decided to take some pictures. Look at my order, like my food looks so good. Nancy ordered noodles. We're still filming. So I'm going home. I didn't really vlog much. Honestly, I didn't vlog much. I just, you know, wanted to enjoy myself as always. Good morning. You came early.
I even listen. Wanted to tell me
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got another delivery. Please, my voice, I'm so tired. I went out yesterday. I don't wake up this early. Like, the delivery man just called me. He was like, I'm at your place. I'm like, Oga, did you sleep at all? Because I've not woken up. Anyways, I'm just going to show you guys what the box looks like, and I'll unbox it, and probably there's not going to be another unboxing video after this. I'm going to insert this clip in my weekly vlog. That vlog said, I don't even know how that vlog is going. Chacha. This is the box. It smells so nice. You guys can see. She already packaged them. So inside the pack you have nails, lashes, this cute brush, so soft. It's so soft. And you have the lip gloss. Look at how beautiful the package is. So inside the pack you have this coconut oil lip gloss. You get one eyelash set, a set of stick-on nails, and this beautiful powder brush. It's so soft. This is how one package is. This one has the extra. In this one it has a lip liner. It's same. You have the brush, you get the eyelash, oh my days, these nails are beautiful. You get this nails set, you get the lip liner and a clear lip gloss. I want to show you guys more of the nails.
All of my life, you break the line. I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time. I'm falling for you.
My beautiful face here again. Nails. These nails are so gorgeous. Like, guys, so beautiful. Please come and buy. It's so noisy. I have such a noisy neighborhood. Like, it's very difficult to get this place to be serene. It's just so annoying. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. See you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.
Shawty out nice, so cream, make a man want holla. Anytime I see ya.